Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Premade 53 feet, a shipping container cabin in Salt Spring Island, Canada. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container cabin. This amazing tiny home is a 53-foot shipping container that has been transformed into a spacious and sociable living space. The original shipping container doors and the front-facing container wall have most of their steel walls removed to create fully glazed facade. Most of the living space is open plan. The interior was framed out, insulated and lined with shiplap throughout. The container is elevated off the ground to keep it away from moisture. The interior design of the cabin assumes a linear arrangement where most of the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for open plan living and unobstructed movement. The rear wall in the living room and the entire cabin is left solid without any fenestrations and is lined with shiplap to emphasize each function. The home has a small lounge space, nicely furnished with a comfortable seating, custom coffee table, and a small wood stove that keeps the cabin warm and cozy on chillier months. Past the living area is a lovely dining space that can comfortably sit four. The dining space has custom chandeliers above the dining table that helps to define the dining space. Next to the dining is a well-equipped kitchenette with all the essential appliances to cook and feel at home. Off the kitchen, on one end of the shipping container, is a spacious bedroom, nicely furnished with a queen-sized bed and lots of room to move around the bed. The big glazing floods the bedroom with a lot of natural light, creating airy brightness during daytime, and it illuminates the space with romantic hues at dusk. The interior walls are painted white to make the cabin space appear bigger and brighter, creating an illusion of a big indoor space. The exterior's charcoal metal paint finish helps to recede the cabin into the highly vegetative surrounding. Just outside the cabin sits a fire pit, which makes a great way to spend a summer night outdoors and keep warm when the weather gets chilly. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are equally visible on the outside, which adds to the industrial language of the design. We love the high quality of workmanship, both inside and out. Which part of this cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, feel free to give it a thumbs up, or you can share it, and don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.